Good day. My name is Roland Adrian Season, a fresh industrial engineering graduate from Mapua University. I specialize in project planning, process improvement, operations management with hands-on experience in the pharmaceutical company. I am passionate about driving efficiency, productivity, and innovation. My goal is to take on leadership roles in operations and business management where I can deliver measurable results to contribute to sustainable growth. During my internship at a leading pharmaceutical company, I monitored production schedules, conducted time and motion studies to identify improvements, and prepared reports for quality control. I also served as an operation management assistant where I supported planning and optimization projects, tracked KPIs, and collaborated with cross-functional teams to ensure smooth business operations. Looking ahead, I aim to grow into a leadership role where I can apply my skills in both business and engineering, and I am eager also to bring dedication, adaptability, and a result-driven mindset to any organization I join. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to future opportunities and contribute and grow. Thank you. Have a good